Hey Steve, so this is 1323 25th Street. We got the kit. It's windload residential pan doors that contains of 4 struts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our model is a 9x7 and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 struts. They're pretty good quality. And we also have 2 brackets on each side. It calls for 3 in case your height is 8, but our height is 7. So we have 2 of these brackets. And these brackets are here. You can see the old one, and here is the new one. Here is the new bracket, and in the back is the old one. You can tell it's way more robust. And the same on this side, we have the new brackets in. We also had to replace the spring because now the door is much heavier with each of these struts, and it works pretty good. It feels much more sturdy, but it works pretty good. Right, I hope you're happy with this. I'm gonna send you pictures anyway.